Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly what kind of strike it is and why it was issued. This matters because copyright appeals differ from community guideline disputes. Once you've identified the strike, collect all supporting evidence, original files, source links, timestamps, and any licenses or permissions. Then go to YouTube Studio, open the Channel Violations panel, and choose the offered options: appeal, remove content, or request more information. Make sure to document every step for later reference and to speed up review. Now you file the appropriate response. For policy strikes, write a focused appeal explaining how the content follows guidelines and include timestamps and context. For copyright, submit a counter notice only if you are confident you have rights, including contact info and a signature. Once done, consider editing the video to remove or blur the problematic portion and reuploading a compliant version, then request a manual review. Keep tone factual. Avoid emotional language, and attach documentary proof to speed adjudication. Finish by monitoring the strike status closely and following up promptly when YouTube requests extra info. Decisions often arrive by email or in studio. If your appeal is denied, weigh options. Request mediation where available, consult legal counsel for aggressive copyright claims, or pivot by removing the content and requesting strike retraction if appropriate. One key troubleshooting tip: keep a timestamped audit log of every action and communication. This record makes escalation to create.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.